ShopWorks vs RotaGeek, making the smart choice for your business. You might be using or considering RotaGeek, but before you do that, here is how it compares versus ShopWorks. ShopWorks and RotaGeek are both known for their workforce management solutions. However, their focus and offerings differ significantly. While RotaGeek largely concentrates on scheduling, ShopWorks takes an end-to-end approach, offering a fully featured workforce management platform, including time and attendance, reporting, budgeting, as well as AI-powered forecasting and auto-scheduling. RotaGeek offers drag and drop scheduling functionality and auto-scheduling, but lacks the ability to deal with complex pay rules and generate accurate reports or payroll files. In comparison, ShopWorks is one of the most advanced and automated workforce management solutions available. It offers end-to-end workforce management, using artificial intelligence to ensure you always have the right people in the right place at the right time. It is the reason why ShopWorks will significantly increase your sales revenue. ShopWorks delivers superior technology and functionalities, and therefore better outcomes for your business in a wide range of industries. Choose AI forecasting, AI demand, AI scheduling, AI retention, clustered scheduling, multiple roles and contracts, split shifts and bonuses, analytics, automated reporting and intelligence, budget, configurable pay rules, integrations, time and attendance via native app, and much, much more. ShopWorks vs RotaGeek. The choice is clear. Experience the future of AI-powered workforce management with ShopWorks. Make the right switch now and transform your business and your bottom line.